Hello everyone, welcome to the new trade breakdown video. I'll break down the trade that I took on the New York session. You can see here, this is the PNL of the actual this trade, which I got 1:3 RR. I risk usually 0.5% in the account. I just have the 50k account of Aqua funded, and yeah, let's break down the today's trade. I'll also break down the all the trade that my Telegram members also took, and you can see gold trades and every trades. I already gave the signal of this trade. You can also join the Telegram for daily trade analysis, and let's break down this trade. Basically, I trade market structure with support resistance. And if you want to understand my strategy, you can also watch this playlist for the complete understanding. In this video, I'll just explain the trade that I took today. And you can see here, after the 9:30, market is on the bearish trend. You can see there is the bearish break of structure like this. This is the base structure, and we have the resistance here, one resistance, and this is also another resistance. And after that, I just waited for market to break the structure above like this. You can see there was no any sell trade here. Here you can see this is the sell trade, but actually there is the 3-minute FEG that is opposing our entry. So just I avoided this trade. And after that, you can see it broke the structure to the upside. Here you can see it broke the structure to the upside. And after that, I went to the 1-minute time frame. On the 1 minute, you can see there was no any FEG. So I just use my another entry confirmation, which is the CISD. And like that, there was my pending order. And after that, it goes like this. You can see, yeah, this is the perfect 3-hour trade. And after that, you can see here on the 15-minute there was the external range also. This is the external range, and also there was the another external high here. This is the far from the latest current market, so I just ignored that level, but this level is also work perfectly. You can see here, if we go to the 1-minute time frame, we got the inverse fair value gap here, and just took the trade here, and TP, yeah, this trade is currently running, but yeah, I don't do this trade because this level is quite far from the current market. It worked actually fine. Let me just show you some trade that my Telegram members took on the London session. You can see there was the break of structure to the downside. After the break of structure, just mark the SNR level like this that I already teach you in the YouTube channel. And after that, just go to the 1-minute time frame and wait for the entry confirmation. On the 1 minute, you can see this is the big inverse fair value gap. You can just take the trade on the inverse fair value gap like this. This is the actual inverse fair value gap. Just put your pending order here because this is quite big SL. So yeah, you can just take 1:3 RR like this. This is the one trade that my Telegram member took, and it hit perfectly 1:3 RR like this. And after that, I will show you some trade that form on the gold also. This is the intraday setup on the gold. Let me just show you. Here you can see this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure to the downside. So we just got this apex level and this resistance level. So for the 15 minutes, just go to the 3-minute time frame for the confirmation. Let's just wait it here. And if you see here, there was basically 2 SL first, you can see. And after that, there is the trade from the FX level, and let's just wait for the 1:3 RR. You can see it perfectly hit 1:3 RR like this. And again, after that, it went up here. So our level is like this, and market perfectly reacted from that level. 3-minute, and the 3-minute, you can see there was the setup and after that it also hit 1:3 RR. After that it broke this level and it again formed this resistance level. And if you go to the 3-minute time frame, there is the another setup here, which is like this. If you find this SL big, you can also trade on the inverse fair value gap like this. Just take your trade on the inverse fair value gap and put your TP around 1:3 RR like this. Yeah, it perfectly hit 1:3 RR. And you can see basically 1, 2, and 3 TP and 2 SL in the gold. Yeah, this is the breakdown of the gold and Nasdaq. And if you like this kind of video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also join to the Telegram, where I already share lots of trade signal here. And yeah, it's like this. And this is the link where you find all the social media. And thank you so much for watching till then, and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.